How to add a reference image in Krita. So let's just create a new file. And here is the paint layer that you're gonna use. Now what you need to do is click this pin icon, which is the reference image tools. Then what you need to do is go to view and then make sure show reference images is checked. Now what you need to do is click on the tools option here, but if you don't have it, simply go to the window, go to workspace, and then check default. Now click the tool options bar, and then click this plus icon. From here you can select an image that you can use for your reference. And here is the image. Let's just zoom out. Now this is the area that we're gonna draw on, and this is the reference image. So I'm gonna make this a bit smaller. And there you go. So the way that you can actually see what you're drawing over this, you can just change the opacity to about 32%. And now you can trace over this image. Now you can also change the opacity of the trace, and you can change the opacity of the reference image by clicking the pin button right here and then changing it from here. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.